Guys, good morning. Welcome back to our next vlog on our channel. So this morning, guys, we're going to check on the pigs, and do a little morning routine. Hey girls. Yeah. Hey Piggerinas, they're still sleeping. Hi sir. Guys, as you can see, the passage, guys, we have fixed the passage, so it's perfect now. And the roofing it's nearly done. Let's see at this section what's up over here. Hey. Hey. Hey babies. So guys, these piglets you see right here is for this pig right here and the one over there.
They look dry.
Yeah. Dirty.
But funny brown one on your fat. Fat like a brown one them up.
They're looking really great. They're looking really great. Okay, so this piggy right here, guys, she'll be having piglets in a few days to weeks from now, guys. We're in January, and it's about I think it's about 2 weeks before she have piglets, guys, or maybe a week to 2 weeks. Alright, so this one too, guys, even though she's sitting there, you really can't see her. You really can't see her belly because she's laying down, guys, but she's also expecting piglets in about 2 weeks, 1 week to 2 weeks, I think. This one, guys, is a large white mixed with a F1. I'm so sorry, it's a large white mixed with Lanrace. Give us a F1, yeah. All their piglets has leave her, guys. They are really they are right up there, cozy in their spots. Not even sure if you can see them, but there. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are cleaning the pens right now.
Fix them and whap him in the box them off him.
Getting a better angle, guys. We are still doing the morning routine. You know, I'm just gonna go get the feeding for them right now, guys. So we use Nutramix pig feeding to feed our pigs. I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna be showing you guys the pig the feeding in a while. So here we go at our storehouse. This is the feeding, guys. So we use like about half a 5-gallon bucket or more to feed our 9 pigs, guys. As you already know, Nature makes a big feed. Batch of pigs for the day. For the morning. Hey mama, what's up? You're being so quiet. Alright, so all our pigs are eating now, guys. So that's the end of our morning video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and click on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever we post a video on our channel. Thank you and bye bye.